Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to MooreTalkJa is a Yaad Ting, the weekly show where I take a look at 5 things that you probably know and or do if you come from Yaad. Now, in case you missed it, this is my Olympic here. Yes, it is gold because of how we just dirty up Olympics a while ago, and this is the Olympic edition of this show. Now, before I get into this, I want to encourage everyone to please follow me on Twitter at More Mayhem. Check me out on Facebook, facebook.com/MooreTalkJa. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is where you are right now, unless somebody's banduluing my things, but I don't know how they would even do that. And also to subscribe to my blog, MooreTalkJa.wordpress.com. Additionally, you're going to see some links that will pop up from time to time. Those are from my sponsors. Please click on them. Supporting my sponsors is a means of supporting me. The links for my sponsors are also below the video down here. Okay, so it's a Yaad Ting Olympic edition. And already, can we run it bold style? And ready? Let's go. If you come from Yaad, then you know that there are a few sports that we could be medaling in that we're not medaling in right now because the government just has not figured out that them have a team ready and waiting. One, and I've said it already, gymnastics. Go down to Palais Royal and down to Shades and gather up all of the strippers them and put them together and make a team. I guarantee we're going gold. Why? Because those girls have no bones in them body. I've witnessed it myself, them don't have any. The second reason being, you see when them big cornmeal and butter eating, yamming gal show up at the Olympics, and the little 12-year-old girls that they keep trying to sneak by on the other teams catch sight of them, the little girl them going to forfeit the match sake of fear alone. Carry them down there, I'm guaranteeing gold. Second thing, fencing. Jamaica have enough stabber. We have a whole heap of people walking around with ice pick and ratchet and venom and that according to Tamil and them type of something there. Fencing. All they need to do is to teach them and them. So instead of a stick to like kill them, if you just juke and draw back. Right now we have a fencing team down into the Jamaican ghetto looking for a place to go. Next thing, water polo. Anytime you have beach party, what the man them do? Them swim up with the bag, like attach them hand or them foot, throw the bag over the fence, heave themselves up over the fence, and then inch down and change and come in at the people them event. Not that them are doing a water polo. Them swim through the water, them throw the little ball, and then like them scuffle with them one another. We have a team ready right now. The next time that Jamaica is looking for a water polo team, them just need to go down to like Fort Clarence when there's a beach party, or them need to go down to Negril come Emancipendence weekend. Them go down there and look right by the fence. The man that is squatting down and trying to dry off himself with a piece of grass to go into the party unnoticed, that is the next person that you need to have on your water polo team. We're just bad and we just have talent and we don't know it. Having talent is a Yaad Ting. If you come from Yaad, you know, say the Olympics committee take people for idiot because handball is really sightings. Look on the game again. It is a game where you have some people who have a ball where them a batter with them hand. Now imagine that ball was a box juice box. Just imagine, just for argument's sake, imagine it was a box juice box. You bat the ball. People run in between the two people them where bat the ball, and every now and again you stone the ball after supposedly the goal net, but really what you're stoning it after is the goalie or something like that. And if you stone them and you stone them right, you win. Tell me if when you're watching handball, cock up is a 10 and tips is a out. Tips is a not paying your head back. It is sightings. It is dandy shandy. Handball is dandy shandy. The Olympics committee is trying to sneak by things past Jamaicans because them know if we come in there, we are going to dominate it. Them don't want we send the whole of our primary school them down there with them dusty foot and the tear up khaki to come and dominate up the handball. I am waiting on them to put the Chinese skip in there and call it like ascending jumps and put it into the gymnastics section of it. Handball is dandy shandy. Me not take back in the chat because that's a Yaad Ting. If you come from Yaad, enough people not gonna let me say that one here, but I say it anyway. If you come from Yaad, you know say the way how we deal with the female athletes them, not right. It not right, Rasta. Because no, me not take nothing from the man them. The man them star up the something properly when them are run wickedly, but the woman them are run wickedly too. And last Olympics, the woman them go 1-2-2, which the man them still have not managed to do because the man them run 1-2-3. And the amount of nice we want make up over what the man them do, we never make up half of that nice for the girl them. And the amount of sustained interest, and I talk about endorsement where you know I come. Not to mention the hex amount of attention from people of the opposite sex that they're about to get. The woman them never get that. The man them get it with more. And let's be honest about it. Jamaica did have a little dry spell where male athletes were concerned. There was a time where the female athletes were starting up the show more than the men them. When like Dion Hemmings and Juliet Cuthbert and Sia Merlin Atty did keep Jamaica name pan them up till the man them come now and them set a girl come now come take up everything. So preferring man over woman, that's not a Yaad thing. Equality is a Yaad thing, man. Corporate Jamaica and Jamaica in general, man. We need to do better. Recognize the woman them for the work them, what them do, and back them and support them. Because trust me, I know one man go win every goal where Jamaica need to win. It take the whole of team Jamaica for win the goal and where Jamaica need to win. So big up to all of the women them were run this year and have been running for all of the years. A time for put your support behind them. Supporting everybody. That's a Yaad thing. If you come from Yaad, you know say the time to yam is now, because by the time the American them done with we, yam shortage is what we are going to be experiencing. On a notice say, since them come up with the anti-doping something them, America can't really win up the whole heap of medal them like them used to win one time. Okay, fine, I'm not here to judge anybody. People make them mistake, them redeem themselves, them come back and them something there. Jamaica start run fast now, and because them not dope, them realize so really run faster them from time. Now all of a sudden everybody say Jamaica a dope. When them juke up the boy them and the girl them and take up the 15 gallon of blood and realize that we are not doping, they are going to want to come down here and find out what these people have been yamming. And at that time, please look out for Monster Energy drink coming out with yam infusion, because they're going to be taking up all the yam, the dasheen, the cocoa and all of those types of things, carrying it over to foreign, testing it, extracting whatever need to extract from it, and selling it back to us at 5 times the price that we would have paid if we went down to the market and buy it. You know, say foreign specializing at them something there. So right now is the time to give dumpling a break. Right now is the time to not really yam the boiled potato and them type of something there. Yam and dasheen, any type of cassava product, this is the time for you to eat this, because very shortly these things will not be available on the shelf for us when foreign are done with us. Having good things and having foreign come and teeth it, that's not a Yaad thing. That's an international thing that happened to everybody from the third world. Americans, I love you, but you know what your country do. Big up self, Jamaica is a Yaad thing. If you come from Yaad, right, you know, say, while the Olympians may have been the winners, and while Jamaica as a country might benefit from what the Olympics has done for us, the true winner in all of this is the Chinaman who bring down the 2 container full of bad color Jamaican flag before all of this start. Tell the truth. You know the flag them. You see them selling down at the stoplight. Me hear Portia say that there's a problem because we have been using yellow in the flag and it's gold it's supposed to be. So she put on our gold flag to show them what gold look like. Okay. This flag was not even black, green and yellow. The flag was like black, green and neon green. But me can't judge nobody because me buy the flag because that was all that was available. But like I tell you, it is not a black Jamaican who bring in that flag. No. Chinaman bring in that flag and have that flag park in a container for about 6 months before we even get close to Olympics or independence celebration. You want to know how my market? Where you see the flag I sell? First, where you see the flag I sell first? You see the flag I sell in a supermarket or store? You see it I sell in a pharmacy and boutique? No. You see the flag I sell on roadside. You see the man who have something with the phone case and the phone credit and the bag juice and like the banana chips and him have it I sell. Who control them things that we sell on roadside? Black people are Chinaman. Chinaman control them something there. So big up to Mr. Chi, because you, my dear, are having the best summer ever, because you just buy 4 more house and 5 more Acura for your pick them crash off of the money we just make off of selling them bad color Jamaica flag them. This is why I can't stop love Jamaica, because it is truly out of many one people out here, and it's truly out of one many Chinaman make a lot of money. Yeah, big up to you, Mr. Chin. All your generation them, and for all of the Mr. Chin them, I don't name Mr. Chin. I apologize for Jamaicans calling you Mr. Chin for all of these years. I don't know why we won't stop it. Respect and one love is a Yaad thing. So there you have it, the Olympic edition of Is a Yaad Ting. Once again, big up to all of our Olympians, big up to the ones that medal, big up to the ones that didn't medal, and especially, you know what, big up to the people them who run the heats. Because plenty time we look on the dream team them where are run in the final competition and not realizing it's enough time and not even them run the heats. And I see some people that get people lengths in the heats, which means that all of Team Jamaica is fast. So big up Team Jamaica and everybody in Team Jamaica. And once again, please support my sponsors. Click their links when they come up, and remember that their links are down there, so you can check them out down there. Supporting them is a way of supporting me. I'll be back next week, perhaps with this hair, perhaps not, perhaps something else will happen and I will decide that my hair needs to reflect it. Who knows? Either way, take care of each other and take care of yourself. And remember, as always, if it's a good thing, it's very likely a Yaad Ting. Okay, no, that's not true. But big up to all of the Yaad people them coming out. Oh yeah, and you know what? Big up Grenada. Yeah. 1 medal and you have the most medals per capita. Small island thing coming like it have it perks. Big up to Grenada and Trinidad right now. CARICOM have it lock.